Hey, what's up? It's Aaron, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with FreeCash and start earning money 100% online as a beginner. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump on my screen right now. FreeCash is a very large free global GPT website. Now GPT stands for get paid to do something. Alright, now there are a lot of websites like this out there, tons and tons of GPT websites, but I wanted to show you this one because this one is really popular and it is definitely one of the highest paying GPT websites out there. Okay, now traditionally GPT websites don't pay out that much money. Alright, usually it's about a couple of dollars a day if you hustle for a few hours, literally like $1 or $2, that's the average. So you can't really earn that much. But with FreeCash, they've got a lot more offers and they've got a lot more things that you can do, which I'm going to show you in a second, which will allow you to earn a little bit more. Alright, so if you want to check it out, come to freecash.com and you can just log in from anywhere in the world. And the nice thing about FreeCash is that it's free. Okay, now the things that you can do once you've actually logged on, you just need your email and your password, right? You can do different things, like first of all download different offers. Okay, so when you come to the earn section on the top here, they're going to show you different featured offers. Alright, now with featured offers, what this means is they've got a bunch of different things that you can do. So there are a lot of companies out there that want you to try their stuff. Alright, so it might be a game, it might be a casino offer, maybe they want you to, spend some money at their casino, for example, right? So you can come here and you can see how much they're paying. So for example, Rise of Kings, it looks like they can pay you $175, which is true, but you have to understand that you have to get to a certain level in the game in order for them to give you that bonus, okay? So it might take a little bit of time, right? But let's just click on the offer so that you can take a look at it, okay? So potentially you can make up to $175, all right? But it says complete all of the events in 25 days and then they will pay you this, and you must be a new user. Okay, so sometimes it does take a lot. Look at this. Complete within 25 days, unlock any level of level 3 troops, level 4 troops, level 5 troops, purchase 30-day gems. Some of them you have to spend a little bit of money to make the money. Alright, so for them it makes sense to pay you the money because they're hoping that they're going to keep you as a long-term player. Does that make sense? That's why you can potentially earn that much. Okay, but please understand that 25 days, it does take a little bit of time for you to complete that offer. But if you are spending time on multiple offers all day, then potentially you can make some decent bonuses. Some of them will pay a little bit less, like Casino Royale, right? For example, this is a $45 bonus, but in order for you to make this bonus, right, you have to do certain things. Okay, you have to bet. You also might have to put down a little bit of money. You're gonna have to go inside to actually see exactly what it requires. But please understand that with some of these offers, you have to spend a little bit of money for you to eventually make the money that they're talking about right here, like $45. But if you complete it, they really will bonus you with that kind of money, and that's why some people can make a decent amount of money on here. Okay, now just to show you some of the people that actually offer these offers are some of the biggest players in the market, like TimeWall, like AdGate Media, like RevU, like Lootably. These are very big offer walls. All right, so that's one way that you can earn here on FreeCash. Some of them will take you a little bit more time, but they really do pay out if you reach the requirements that they want. All right, and remember, it's 100% free. Now another thing that you can do on the left hand side here is you can fill out surveys. Okay, so they work again with some very big survey partners like BitLabs, like CPX Research, like InBrain. These are really big. So what you would do is you would come to BitLabs, for example, right? And they're kind of like an aggregator. So they aggregate a lot of these surveys, and first of all you would have to sign up, and then you can see here that you can fill out different surveys. So you can take the time, and there's 6 minutes here, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and just so that 1,000 coins is equal to about $1. Okay, so that's not bad. They're actually offering some pretty high paying surveys. I mean, some of them are less, some of them are like 30 cents, some of them are 63 cents, right? And it does take you time, okay, don't get me wrong. Now you can see when I scroll on my screen right now that there's only about 9, 12, maybe 13 surveys. Okay, so you can take the time to do this, but it'll still take you quite a bit of time. All right, it's not like 20 plus surveys, you earn 50 cents. 6 minutes, this one's a good one, 6 minutes for $1, right? 15 minutes for $1, but it still takes a little bit of time for you to finish all these surveys, if that makes sense. Okay, so yes, they will pay you a little bit of money, but you still do have to invest the time into completing them, which is the important thing to understand, right? So let's come back here and see what else you can do. Let's just go into the offers section. Right now, with the offers, which we've actually kind of covered a little bit, there are different things that you can do, right? You can do games, you can do other ones. So you can see here that there's quite a lot here, and some of them don't pay that well, honestly, like 51 cents, 6 cents, 24 cents. So I would focus on the ones that pay a little bit more, like, you know, Rock and Cash, $67, Grand Hotel, $3, Words Farm, right, $12, almost $13 there. That's pretty cool. Okay, so these are really the main ways that you can make money with FreeCash. Now you can also, you know, recommend this to friends as well. All right, so you know, there's a way for you to basically go to your profile and you can become an affiliate right here. So if you click on affiliate, you could recommend this online. So for example, if you were to, you know, grab your affiliate link, like right here, just copy your link, and you were to recommend this on TikTok or YouTube or some forums, for example, maybe create a YouTube channel, do a review on FreeCash, and you recommend them, the more people that join, I mean, it's not huge commissions, it's only 5% commissions, but this is one of the ways that you can earn a little bit more money with FreeCash, okay? Now, how do you cash out? So if you come to the left-hand side and click cash out here, they have multiple ways to cash out, right? You can withdraw through PayPal, for example. Okay, that's the easiest way. You can also get a gift cards like Amazon or a prepaid Visa gift card, a Google Play Store gift card, which is pretty cool, right? So if we click into PayPal, for example, the minimum right here is $5. Okay, so that's okay. Remember that PayPal has fees as well, you know, 5% fees, but you know, $5 is not that much. You could probably do that in a couple of days with FreeCash, which is pretty cool. Okay, now let's talk about how much you can really make on FreeCash, right? Remember that this is a free website. Okay, so a lot of the times with free websites, 100% free, you can do this from anywhere in the world, they're not going to allow you to make that much money, right? Like I mentioned at the start of this video, with most GPT websites, expect to only earn about $1 to $2 per day. Now with FreeCash, just because they've got some really good offers and their surveys pay pretty high, you can earn a little bit more. I would say that if you spend a couple of hours, you know, 2-3 hours a day on FreeCash, you could earn between $5 and $10, okay? Now if you spend more time, and there's some people on here, which I'll show you in a second, because they're actually making quite a decent amount of money for a GPT website, because generally, remember, GPT websites don't pay that much, but these guys are really, you know, doing not bad, honestly. They're making, you know, 20, 30, 40, you know, $50 a day, right? Because they're really hustling, okay? They're spending like 10 hours a day on this website, all right? Now that's a lot of time. 10 hours, 11 hours, 12 hours a day on this website. So please understand that, you know, these are the numbers that you're going to see, but you have to spend a lot of hours, okay? So I'm going to go into the leaderboards now, and just to show you really quickly, right? So I'm going to show you the top people in the world. I'm going to go to monthly, okay? Now the monthly, and you have to remember that these are, actually, let me go to daily. These are some of the, you know, remember they have thousands of people using this app. So I would not, you know, look at the top numbers, because these are like ridiculous numbers. These are people putting in, like I mentioned, 10 hours a day, 11 hours a day, 12 hours a day. So it's highly unlikely that you're going to put in 10 hours a day into this website, because that is a lot of work, okay? But yeah, some of the top people are making, you know, $100 a day. Look, these are people making $100 a day, right, with this website, but they're spending a serious amount of time on the website. So I'm not even going to look at the top 100. I'm going to go down to page number 3. This is more realistic, okay? This is, and these are pretty high achievers as well. All right, so anyone here that they're making $30 a day, this is pretty high achievers. I would say they're still spending a significant amount of time. All right, so like I mentioned earlier, realistically expect to earn $5 to $10 a day. If you really hustle, you can earn between $20 and $30 a day. All right, now if we do the math on that, let's say you really hustle, $20 to $30 a day, $30 times 30, you can earn just under $1,000 if you really hustle on this website. Okay, now the people that are earning more, they're like, you know, subhuman. I mean, sorry, they're like, you know, superhuman. Not subhuman, superhuman, right? Because they're spending like 12 hours plus a day hustling on this website, and then they're going to earn a little bit more. Okay, let me just show you per month. So not, you know, we'll go to page 3, okay? Page 3, this is more realistic, I would say. They're earning about this, okay? About $300. So they're, sorry, is this monthly? Sorry, a little bit more, page 2. You can see here, I would say about that. Okay, if you're earning $30 per day, oh, let's see, $20 times 30, yeah, $600. So about that. Yeah, okay, so this is a more realistic number. right? You can see here, this is page 2 only. And so monthly, again, $300, $400, roughly about there. Okay, so that's what you can expect from this kind of website. These are some realistic numbers right here. I wouldn't look at the number 1, page 1, because this is like top 100, which is very difficult to get. Okay, these people are like spending their entire lives on this website, but it's still not bad, I would say. So for a free website, now it's not gonna break the bank. You're not gonna be able to retire on, you know, $300 a month, but you have to remember that this is 100% free. It's downloading offers, it's playing games, it's recommending it to people on social media. So I would say not bad. You're not gonna be able to retire with this kind of money, but okay, all right? So if you wanna check out FreeCash, you know, this is a way. It's 100% free, it's global, and if you're a beginner and you've got no skills, this is quite a cool way to start generating some income online. They pay out through PayPal. They've got so many different, you know, withdrawal methods, so you can check it out if you like. All right, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it. Let me know in the comment section if you got some value from this video, and if you would like to find out my favorite way to make money online. This is the exact strategy that I use to 100% quit my full-time job in 2019. Then you can check it out. I show it to you for free right in the link below. I show you exactly how I do that. All right, hope to see you on another money making video soon. See you soon. Take care.